Hi everyone, thanks for joining in for another S.E.E.K Science Club video. And today we are going to build a do-it-yourself climbing robot. Yay! Now let's get started. First, you need to make sure you purchase one of our STEM kits, which is called S.E.E.K Science Club. It is an initiative to bring STEM activities to your home that are affordable and engaging. Let's get started. I'm gonna open the kit. Don't need that, but we do need our mini robot. So we're gonna build this climbing robot and we're gonna put this box away, okay? And it does come with instructions or just a video. That's all you need these days, right? Who wants to keep burning trees for paper and paper, but we do have wood. First things first, you're gonna have your kit, which is, it'll come with more than one activity in the STEM box, and some of them will only have one activity depending on what it is. Open your kit. You have your pieces here in wood. You also have your string so that your robot can climb on it. And then you have your screws and your motor. And of course, you need a screwdriver. So let's get started. The first things first, you want to take out the pieces that look like the body, these two pieces. So I'm gonna take these out first. And then I want to grab my motor because that's what I need. This is the motor. So I wanna have my motor down this way. And then if you notice the little ears here, you want them to be facing upward, okay? And on the sides, you have two open spaces. So I am going to take out the front and the back, my motor. And now I want to take out this part, not this yet. This part is for the side of your robot, right? See how easy and accessible this is? Easy, right? Yeah. Gonna put that down. And so now let's build the body part, just the body, okay? Here, remember I said you should have it downward. And then we're gonna put the sides on. It's gonna go through this hole just like that. And then you're gonna put it on the side here. Just like that. Ta-da! See how simple that was? Now we have the body. So you notice that they have these grooves on the side and there's little pockets to put these grooves in. So we're gonna clamp it together just like this. All right, we're gonna do the other side. All right, so now you have the body on. Yay, we did it. Now we need to grab the bottom parts. So these small little pieces, because we're gonna have to screw some things on, okay? So if you notice, there's two tiny holes at the bottom. And I took these two pieces off because there's two tiny holes on this piece too. So this is gonna go here and we have tiny screws. So I am going to take this out, take it out the bag, of course. This is our battery. And this is one of the screws that came out. And so let's continue to take them all out. We have these for our hands or claws. So I am gonna be careful to make sure it doesn't fall on the floor. There we go. And you have, let's put this on the side. You have these little screws that have like a circle. So it's like a screw with a flat area around it. And that's what you're going to use. All right, so you're gonna take this and then you're gonna put it here. Take this flat screw. Remember what I always say, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey here. We're gonna screw the next one, same thing. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, you're gonna do it on both sides. All right, you see that? They're screwed in, you're gonna do that on the same side, on the other side as what you did on this side. All right, next things next. We're gonna build the arms and we're gonna add the axles for the arms. So you're gonna take out these two circle pieces and they are going to go on the side. Two, so it looks like that. Two on each side, okay? Let's do the other side. All right, now it looks like this. Now we are going to make the hands. Yay! So you're gonna take out these two long pieces, all right? And you are going to need, remember I told you these really tiny screws? You're gonna need this. And now, find your two claws, okay? You have your two hands. The long slits are gonna be at the bottom because they have this for the feet. And then you have two circles that are gonna be upward at the top. And so this is going to go where those two circles, notice these have holes in it too. So it'll be, this will go on this hand like this, and you're gonna put the screw in those two holes there. So it's gonna look like this, all right? Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So it's gonna look like this, right? One, you gotta put in the other one. We're gonna do the same thing on this one. Now, we are going to add this. There's a screw here. You see there's a circle here. And then there's a circle on this side as well. So we are going to screw these here. And then we will have to screw it at the bottom. So we have the screws for the top and the bottom. So it looks like this. And then we're gonna screw the bottom. Oh, we don't want it to be too tight. We're gonna screw the bottom. So you're gonna take the flathead screw and you're gonna glue it, screw it at the bottom. There's a hole there and a slit here. See how it moves? Yep. Let's do it. All right, so now you have the cloth that's gonna go up and down on this slit. It'll go up and down. And you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Now we're gonna add the feet. Here. These feet are made for walking. Next, add your battery holder. We have adhesive strips and it's already cut for you, okay? It's cut here. Cut here, all you do is take this off, ta-da! Take this off, ta-da! Take this off, and take this off. And if you notice on the back, you have these two prongs. You are going to stick a blue one in there, twist it, pop it, twist it, pop it, twist it, pop it, okay? It's gonna go right through here. This. Do the same with the red. Here. Now I am going to add this. You can pick whichever side you would like to add this on the back with your adhesive strip. But you want to make sure that it's connected to your motor. And your motor has two prongs, right? Okay. So let's add this on the back first. Now take the strip of paper off on the top. Okay. Take your battery holder, put it here. See that? And now there are prongs on you have two prongs on your motor. The other piece of wire is gonna go inside the same prongs that look like the ones on your battery. They're right here, okay? All right, now it is connected. Now we're gonna add the batteries. Once you add the batteries, let's test it to see if it actually works. flip your switch down, voila, you have it. Now, let's put it on a string to see if it actually climbed the string. Okay, before we do that, what is a robot?
R2-D2, Your Highness.
Well, a robot, it exhibits human-like behavior. So just like when you go to a store, if you see a robot that's moving around and say, hey, can I take your order? It's exhibiting a behavior of a human that would ask you the same thing. Or if it's doing something, if you go to the doctor's office and you see that the doctors are using machines to help them with surgery. So they're exhibiting human-like behavior. And that's what a robot is, except it's not a human, it's a what? Machine. Now let's see if this will actually climb a rope just like humans can, or animals, okay? There you have it, your climbing robot.